Hello, today I'm in Citroen C4. In this video I'll show you how to enable and disable front wipers. In the beginning, let's take a look behind the right side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got this lever. Firstly, you can pull the lever downwards to use front wipers in auto mode. To disable auto mode, again pull it downwards. Next you can push it upwards to use it in interval mode, that you can also adjust. Next you can enable slow mode and the fast mode for wipers. If you want to disable it, set it to 0 position. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.